Are you ready for a brand new project? It might have something to do with the snowman. Hey everyone, Cristin here, and I get to announce a brand new project that is coming out today. It's going to be released today. It's actually coming out. They're expecting the end of October. So let me give you some information. So Kimberbell Designs, they are coming out with a new Cuties Table Topper 2 booklet. So in that booklet, there will be 6 different table toppers that are so cute. I got to see a photo, and the first one has a snowman. It's for January, super cute. And then there's gnomes in one of the months, probably March. February, I think, had Valentine hearts and like the little conversation hearts. There were butterflies in one. What was the other one that was so cute? There's really cute. I will add a photo. That will make it easiest for you. So here's the deal. Our sponsor for this is My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and the project won't start until end of October, November, probably November would be my guess. They are going to send the book out end of October is when they're expecting it. So here's how it'll work. We are going to do this as a subscription. So every month I'm going to make one of the table toppers. They are quick, simple, easy, fun projects, and we will do them together. Probably a day, maybe 2 days at the most. Each month we will do one of these. So using our coupon code for our group, you will be able to reserve your booklet. And then you'll get an email from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop to see if you want just the booklet or if you want to do the monthly subscription. So our coupon code is Cristin Cuties 2, CRISTINCUTIES 2. And there doesn't matter caps, nothing like that. It doesn't matter. You can just do it all lowercase and that'll work fine. So you pay $10 now, and then if you do just the booklet, you'll get $10 discount off of the booklet when it's shipping in the end of October. Our coupon code will also get you a discount every month for the fabric kit. So that My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop is going to create a fabric kit for each month for us, and they will ship that out. It'll be part of like a subscription, and you'll get an email with full details from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop for that. Would you believe I've never made a tabletop? I'm really looking forward to these. I hope you're going to join me every month for a tabletop cutie. Hey everyone, so I wanted to show you real quick how to find the information that is under every video. So if you were to open up a web browser and go to YouTube, type in Cristin Creates, and you will have the Cristin Creates channel here. If you go to any of the videos that are for the project you're looking at, so like right now it is the cup of cheer is what we're working on. You could look through here and you'll see that there's a cup of cheer video, here's a cup of cheer video, or you can go to playlist right here, and from there you can see that there is a playlist for each project that we've done. So here's the cup of cheer playlist. You click view full playlist and you can see all of the videos that we've done so far for this project. So click on any of those and then you can see. So here's the video. I'm going to just wait till it skips. There we go. Skip the ads. So here's me talking about the Cup of Cheer project, and right below the video right here it says Kimberbell Cup of Cheer Quilt Prepping and Cutting Fabrics Group Project, and then it starts to say click here to see links below the video, and then it says click here to see more. It's a little bit different on mine because I'm the owner of the page, but right here you'll see the topic and then click here to see links below the video. So click that see more right there and see all of this information that is right under the video. So when I say under the video, that's what I'm talking about, is you have to click that, click here to see links below the video. And then once you do that, everything under this video is information. So for instance, here's how to join the Cristin Creates group. Here is a link to the products from our sponsor. So My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop is our sponsor for Cup of Cheer, and all of the supplies that are needed are listed right here. The thread colors are listed, and all of this information is under every single video that I do. And then you can also see the link that I'll talk about on every video. I will say, this is the quilting design that I'm using. You get it from Kimberbell. Please click our sponsor's affiliate link. That's this right here. To order the Cup of Cheer quilting designs, please use the affiliate link from our sponsor. And then you just click that, and what it does is it takes you to Kimberbell, but there's a little cookie on your computer saying that you're supporting our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So once you are here, then you would go to this search bar and type in Cup of Cheer. That's the easiest way. There's other ways you can go through products and all of that, but the quickest way that I have found is if you just type in the project you're looking for, then the items you're looking for will come up. So here is the Cup of Cheer quilting bundle, currently on sale from $75 down to $66. So you would click that and add it to your cart, or you can find the individual ones. Another way to do it, after you click on the sponsored link, you would go to products and then background quilting, and then you can see all of them that way as well. Either way works fine, but that's how to find the links under the video. And like I said, our sponsor is My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So I have one link right here that has all of the supplies, and you can click on that to see if you haven't ordered your supplies yet. That's the way to do it, is under the video. There's always a link for all of the supplies, and you can see them here. All right, so that's the under the video information. There's the video, and it's literally on every single video. And then there's also information of what's coming up next. Don't forget our coupon code is in here. Where's that? Right here. This project is sponsored by My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Our coupon code to order is Cristin COC. COC is in caps, and that gets you $10 off the fabric kit. And then after the supply list, there's information on what's coming up next up, and then just more information. So everything that I talk about during the video, there's always information under the video, and that's how to get to that. Very easy. And if you're on a phone, it's the same thing. You would go to YouTube, go to Cristin Creates, click on one of the videos, click, and then instead of, I don't think it says click here to see more, instead it's got a little arrow over on the right hand side on your phone. It'll say the title of the project, like Kimberbell Cup of Cheer quilt, like what it says here, and then over on the side there's an arrow. You click that arrow and it shows that whole video description. That's what this is under the video. I hope that helps.